Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info. Today I have Honor Magic version 2 and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To do that, open Google Chrome application, press 3 dots on the right corner and there settings. Now we scroll down to Password Manager and there we can manage our Google passwords. We can turn on and turn off some functions as save passwords or auto sync in, or we can manage our password with our smartphone. Remember, in this thanks to our Google account. We can press there. Now we can copy our email, copy our passwords, or after we press the size icon our smartphone show us password rich. Remember, we can also edit all by tap there and write something new or delete what you prefer. We can also delete all by trash, this trash icon, and confirm by delete password. And now we don't have any saved passwords. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.